Hello, creative friends. Welcome to a brand new adventure where we learn how to keep our money safe and make smart choices. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of trading, but don't worry, there's no need to be scared. We're here to have fun and learn together. Have you ever spent hours building something amazing like a tall tower of blocks or a beautiful sandcastle, only to watch it tumble down in seconds? It can feel pretty disappointing, right? All that hard work, gone in a flash. Well, trading with real money can sometimes feel just like that. You put in your effort, you make your plans, but if you're not careful, your hard-earned cash can vanish before your eyes, almost like it's sprouted wings and flown away. It's a tough lesson, but it happens to even the best of us. The world of trading is full of excitement, flashing lights, and endless possibilities. It's like stepping onto a stage where anything can happen. But here's the catch. If you don't know the rules of the game, it's super easy to lose money. Numbers and charts can be confusing, and sometimes things don't go as planned. That's why it's so important to learn the basics before you jump in. Just like you wouldn't perform in a play without rehearsing your lines, you shouldn't start trading with real money until you've practiced and learned what to do. What if you could practice trading without risking a single penny? Imagine having a dress rehearsal for your big trading show, where you can try out your moves, make mistakes, and learn from them, all without any real consequences. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, guess what? This magical practice ground actually exists, and it's called paper trading. In this special world, you get to use pretend money to make real trades, test your strategies, and see what works best for you. It's like having a secret training ground where you can become a trading superstar. With paper trading, you can make all the mistakes you want, learn from them, and build your confidence step by step. There's no risk of losing your real money, so you can experiment, try new things, and really understand how trading works. Every mistake is just another lesson that helps you grow stronger and smarter. So let's get ready to explore how paper trading can help you protect your precious savings and prepare you for the real world of trading. By practicing first, you'll be ready to step onto the big stage with confidence and skill. Let's jump in and discover the magic of paper trading together. So, what exactly is paper trading? If you've ever wondered how people learn to trade stocks, options, or even cryptocurrencies without risking their hard-earned cash, paper trading is the answer. It's a beginner-friendly way to dip your toes into the world of trading, all without the fear of losing real money. Imagine you have a notebook in front of you. Instead of actually buying or selling stocks, you simply write down your pretend trades, what you would buy, how many shares, and at what price. You track your imaginary profits and losses, just as if you were trading for real. This old-school method is where the term paper trading comes from, because people literally used paper to practice. Think of it like a flight simulator, but for the stock market. Just as pilots use simulators to practice flying before ever stepping into a real cockpit, traders use paper trading to practice their strategies and build confidence. You get to experience the ups and downs of the market, test your reactions, and see how your decisions would play out, all in a completely safe, risk-free environment. These days, you don't even need a notebook. Most online trading platforms offer free paper trading accounts, where you're given virtual money to buy and sell just like in the real market. The platforms look and feel exactly like the real thing, so you get hands-on experience with real-time prices, charts, and order types. The computer automatically tracks your pretend profits and losses, updating your account as the market moves. You can see how your strategies perform over time, spot your strengths, and identify areas where you need to improve, all without risking a single penny. And here's the best part. If you make a mistake or want to try a new approach, you can simply reset your account and start over. There's no penalty, no stress, and no real money lost. This freedom lets you experiment, learn from your errors, and build your skills at your own pace. Paper trading isn't just about learning the mechanics of placing trades. It's also about understanding your emotions, how you react to wins, losses, and the pressure of decision-making. By practicing in a safe environment, you can develop discipline, patience, and confidence before you ever risk real money. So if you're thinking about starting your trading journey, paper trading is the smartest, safest, and most effective way to build your skills and prepare for the real markets. Give it a try and set yourself up for success. Trading with real money is a whole new game. Every win or loss directly affects your wallet. The pressure is real, and emotions like fear and greed can cloud your judgment, leading to poor decisions. Beginners often jump in too soon, treating the market like a friendly pet, not realizing how quickly things can turn. The emotional roller coaster of real money trading can be exhausting and distracting. That's why it's crucial to learn the basics and build confidence before risking your savings. Think of paper trading as juggling softballs before you try flaming torches. Start safe, learn the ropes, and avoid costly mistakes. Paper trading is your safety net. It lets you experiment, make mistakes, and learn without losing real money. It's the perfect classroom for hands-on learning, letting you practice strategies and see what works. You get to explore trading platforms, learn how to place orders, and understand tools like stop losses and limit orders. Each mistake becomes a lesson, not a financial setback. As you practice, you'll build confidence and develop your own trading style. Paper trading helps you move from nervous beginner to confident learner, ready for the real market. It's about building skills, not just reading about them. Use this risk-free environment to prepare for real success. Every beginner makes mistakes. Paper trading is the best place to learn from them. Common errors include chasing stocks that are skyrocketing, getting emotionally attached to a favorite company, and trading without a plan. Many new traders risk too much on one idea, putting all their eggs in one basket. A wise trader always knows when to buy, when to sell, and how much to risk. Paper trading lets you practice these rules and see the consequences, without real losses. Learn to manage risk, stick to your plan, and avoid emotional decisions. Make your mistakes here, so you don't repeat them with real money. Imagine your trading journey as the process of building a house from scratch. Every bit of knowledge you gain, every lesson you learn, is like adding a new brick to your structure. Just as a real house needs a solid base to stand tall and weather storms, your trading skills need a strong foundation to support your growth and help you handle the ups and downs of the market. Before you can even think about putting up the walls or adding a roof, you have to make sure your foundation is sturdy. This means understanding the basics, what stocks are, how the market operates, and why prices move the way they do. Without this groundwork, everything else you build could come tumbling down. Paper trading is your training ground, your safe space to experiment and learn without risking real money. Here, you'll get to know the building blocks of trading, how to read stock charts, what different financial terms mean, and how to spot trends in the market. You'll also start to understand the psychology behind trading, how emotions like fear and greed can influence decisions. Watching how news events and world happenings affect stock prices is a crucial part of your education. You'll see firsthand how a single headline can send prices soaring or tumbling, and you'll learn to anticipate how the market might react to different scenarios. Each pretend trade you make is like carefully placing another brick in your house. Some bricks will fit perfectly, representing your successful trades, while others might be a little crooked, showing you where you made mistakes. Both are essential for your learning. Every win and every loss teaches you something new. You'll learn to analyze what went right, what went wrong, and how you can improve next time. Over time, you'll develop a checklist of strategies and rules that work for you, helping you avoid common pitfalls and build smarter habits. As you progress, you'll dive deeper into the tools and techniques that traders use every day. You'll discover different order types like market and limit orders, and learn how to use stop losses to protect your trades. Reading charts will become second nature, and you'll start to recognize patterns that signal when to buy or sell. With your paper trading account, you can test out your predictions and strategies in real time without any financial risk. This is your chance to experiment, try new approaches, and see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're all part of the process. After each trade, take time to review your decisions and outcomes. Reflect on what you learned and use those insights to refine your approach. Over time, you'll notice your confidence growing and your trading house becoming more stable and resilient. Eventually, all your hard work will pay off. You'll have built a sturdy house of knowledge and confidence ready to face the real market. Remember, this process takes time and patience, but every brick you lay brings you closer to your goal. The beauty of paper trading is that you can practice as much as you want. There's no limit to how many trades you can make or how many strategies you can test. Use this unlimited practice to your advantage. Experiment, learn, and grow. Take it one step at a time, building your skills and knowledge brick by brick. Don't rush the process. Each step is important, and every lesson learned makes you a better trader. When your house is finally complete, you'll be ready to step into the real market with confidence, knowing you've built your trading skills from the ground up. In trading, some people are fast like hares, making quick trades, while others are slow and steady like tortoises. Paper trading is the perfect way to discover your style. Try day trading one week, swing trading the next. See what fits your personality and lifestyle best. There's no right or wrong approach, just what works for you. Experiment without pressure and find a strategy that feels comfortable. Your trading plan should match who you are, not force you into someone else's mold. Use paper trading as your testing ground to find your best fit. After practicing with paper trading, how do you know you're ready for real money? Look for consistency. Are you following your plan and making steady pretend profits over time? Treat your paper account like it's real, using the same amount you plan to trade with. If you can be disciplined with pretend money, you're more likely to succeed with real money. When you switch, start small. Risk only a tiny amount at first. Focus on handling the emotions of real trading, not just making money. Gradually increase your investment as your confidence and skills grow. Trading is a lifelong journey. There's always more to learn. Paper trading is your best starting point, letting you build skills and confidence without costly mistakes. Every successful trader started by practicing and learning from their errors. Be patient, celebrate small wins, and study your mistakes for future growth. Before risking real money, open a paper trading account and experiment freely. There's nothing to lose and a world of knowledge to gain. By starting with paper trading, you set yourself up for long-term success. Take your first safe step today. Your future self will thank you.